Hi everyone, just a little demonstration of the LD electric conversion, D and LDs. So you can see we've got twin rear suspension on this one. I'll just take it for a little drive and you can see the suspension working. We've also got our disc brake, which is on all our electric conversion kits. Now it's, as you can see, really easy to ride, and that suspension, I've been told, because I've taken a passenger at the weekend, that it's been much improved from the old LD torsion bar. So improved suspension, improved braking, and really easy and smooth to use. That's all the benefits that you get from our electric conversion kit. I'm on the wrong side of the road here, so I better creep across. So yeah, this is the LD, the DLD from 51 to 58, and over in South America up until 62. And this was the last one of the 6 versions that are available for electric conversions on Vespa and Lambrettas. All 6 versions have been done. I'm going to scoot off here to give you an indication of the acceleration. All right, lost my cameraman there. So, watch out for the kids. So the LD, it's been a long time coming. It was quite a difficult one to make. Very intricate design underneath the panel work here, but I hope you can get a good idea of what's going on. This is our control box where the petrol tank was. I've molded it the same shape as a petrol tank. And then here we have our new big extra large battery. It's only really for the Ds and all the Lambretta models, not the J range, but all the Lambretta models. So I made it for the D, 72 volt, 50 amp hour, which is a 55-mile range battery, and plenty of torque and speed, as you can see. Gets up to 60 miles an hour, and yeah, it's again a kit. And those suspension, that rear suspension is actually pretty universal. It's 28 centimeters, pretty standardized motorcycle twin rear suspension. And if you wanted to buy a new improved version online, they are available in, you know, obviously adjustable and non-adjustable and better quality shock ones. So you can, we provide a standard issue set of shocks with it, but you can improve on that if you really wanted to get something a bit better. But this is actually really quite a comfortable ride. And again, the whole idea of our conversion kits is it's an option, not for everyone, but it's an option, and certainly people who you know, who don't get on with 2-stroke engines. They just don't get on with kickstarts, gears, clutches, and they like these old bikes and they want to ride one, and you know, they love the look of them, but they want it to be just a bit easier and a bit more reliable. That's what it's all about. That's why we do this. And of course, the way the world's going today, of course, they're making us go electric. They're getting rid of the petrol bikes. Okay, thank you.